Speaking Aptis, Part 4. 5 topics. Talk about a time when you used the internet. In my life, I have undergone so many times that I use the internet for different purposes. Each time it gives me a special experience and emotion. However, there is a time that I believe it is the most impressive and significant. So now, I'm going to tell you about a time when I used the internet to solve an important problem. A few weeks ago, I had a very memorable experience using the internet when I had to prepare an important presentation for my class. At first, I was completely at a loss because I didn't know where to start, and I was running out of time. So, I decided to turn to the internet for help. I searched for reliable sources, watched several tutorial videos, and downloaded useful materials. To be honest, the internet was a real life saver at that moment. While doing my research, I came across a professional website that explained everything in a clear and simple way. Step by step, I managed to understand the topic better and organize my ideas more effectively. However, I also realized that not everything online can be trusted. There were some misleading articles, so I had to take everything with a grain of salt and double-check the information from different sources. In the end, thanks to the internet, I finished my presentation on time and felt much more confident. The presentation went smoothly, and my teacher even gave me positive feedback. From this experience, I learned that the internet is a double-edged sword. It can be extremely useful if we use it wisely, but it can also cause serious problems if we are not careful. Idioms. At a loss, a real life saver, take something with a grain of salt. A double-edged sword, all in all, run out of time. Topic 2. Talk about a time when you worked with older and younger people. In my life, I have undergone so many times when I worked with people of different ages. Each time it gave me a special experience and a wide range of emotions. However, there is one time that I believe was the most impressive and significant. So now, I'm going to tell you about a time when I worked with both older and younger people on an important project. A few months ago, I took part in a community project where our team included people of different ages, ranging from university students to retired teachers. At first, I was a bit nervous because I thought it might be difficult to work with people who had very different backgrounds and ways of thinking. The younger members were full of energy and creative ideas, and they were always eager to try new technology and modern methods. On the other hand, the older members had a wealth of experience and practical knowledge, which helped us avoid making serious mistakes. At times, we did not see eye to eye, especially when it came to making important decisions. However, instead of arguing, we tried to keep an open mind and learn from one another. Personally, I learned a lot from this experience. The younger people taught me how to work faster and more flexibly, while the older people showed me the importance of patience, responsibility, and long-term planning. By working hand in hand, we managed to complete the project successfully and even exceeded our expectations. In the end, I realized that age is not a barrier, but a valuable resource. All in all, this experience taught me that teamwork becomes much more effective when people of different generations respect each other and combine their strengths in the right way. A wealth of experience, not see eye to eye. Keep an open mind, work hand in hand, exceed our expectations. A barrier, a valuable resource, all in all.
Thank you for listening.